Alright people, welcome back with my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto Sosio. Right, this afternoon I myself and my friend here, I'm going to promote Aceh 5 countries, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Europe, and then Asia. This is very totally awesome today. Here we call that, that Nasi Island. This is the most beautiful island world nowadays. Not only by that, that this is very totally awesome nowadays because not only people but also a lot of people visiting here just enjoy the panorama or their view here, and then enjoy their vacation here, and then just holiday here. Very totally awesome here. I myself until now as tourist guide, I focus for focusing for promoting Aceh 5 countries. Alright, don't forget on like and subscribe YouTube channel because what my YouTube channel for promoting Aceh 5 countries. Oh, there is very totally beautiful there, right? Yeah. This is seem like United States, but exactly this is not United States. But over there very totally awesome. Right, don't forget like and subscribe to channel my friend. Tata for now.